Here we have one of the 3 AVRs. We've now completed the restoration work and we're ready to install them in the side locker of the vehicle. Square key, always in short supply, square keys. And here's the tray. It's a very heavy duty tray and it's going to take 2 of us to pull it out. So mind your fingers, are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. I'll try again. 1, 2, 3. Very solid, very stiff. A bit like me. Here we are with the other 2 AVRs. This time we've put them on a little barrow to save our arms and backs. So here we go. There's always something in the way. Now all we have to do is magically levitate these from there to there by power of thought. Down. It's easier to lift it off this or just to put it on the ground and then up.
Right, it's a little bit along.
Yeah. Like that. Yeah. Are we going for the middle position?
Why not? It'll be easier.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, go.
No, that one doesn't make it.
Yeah, you can see it's...
Yes.
Higher.
So what we're going to do about that then?
Take it off again. Try the other one. See if it makes any difference.
Clearly the middle one is taller, but why is it taller?
Well, looking at that here, I see there's an interesting little bit of work done. Do you see that lip there? Yes. I think this one goes there.
Okay. Still not going to do it. These feet are longer.
Yes.
Definitely.
But they're welded onto the bottom.
Yes.
But they would have always been welded onto the bottom.
Indeed.
We need an angle grinder and
Well,
grind a
well,
1/4 inch off them.
But why does it not fit now and yet it fitted before?
I haven't got a ready answer to that just at the moment.
Well, let's get this one off and then...
Try the other one then, I guess, see if this one's any
Well,
different.
we ought to take this one off here, since we're not going to bolt it down.
This too seems to have the deep feet.
That wasn't part of the restoration then, replacing dodgy feet with,
No.
with something else.
No.
Okay, so is the supporting bracketry in the right place?
It's never been changed. Just enough clearance underneath. It's there's touch and go. There's about 1/1000th of an inch, but they go in, and 1/1000th of an inch is a clearance after all.
catch.
Pokey thing. Mine hasn't clicked. So, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Just
Right.
got to wire them up next.
Yeah, but not while it's raining.
Job for another time.
So, in order to work on the clearance, we've had the door off, and I'm in the process of screwing it back on now, in the best possible traditions of DIY, with my trusty electric screwdriver. One of the things we've done is to try and maintain the originality of the slotted screws, and for those who are used to cross point screws, slotted screws are really awkward to screw, but they're original, so they're going back like that. I think I'm going to go along these with a manual screwdriver to tighten them up afterwards. But the electric drill is doing the bulk of the work. And it's just starting to rain. So in the best possible conditions of work on a vehicle outside, it's starting to rain.
Right, so with the AVRs now connected up, the challenge now is to sort the wiring out. So the wiring disappears through there, and then if we go into the vehicle, we can see the cables reappear here, and they need to run along this duct through that hole there, and they're going to re-emerge here. This is the last pair of wires having their numbers put on.
A fine job.
Thank you. All the right numbers, not necessarily in the right order. So no bits left over then.
There's always bits left over.
Everything approximately in the right place, we think.
Big screwdriver. What you need is X-ray eyes to see how it's folded. They're in short supply. Well, the next thing is to go for broke. A going on. No, that's B going on actually.
Oh dear.
That's a disappointment.
Ah.